Hey friends, so this last Saturday we got to have our first ever open farm day and it was fantastic. There were some friends of ours that were other vendors that came. We had a petting zoo, we had farm tour, we did a bee education class with Thomas and our friend Chris Miller that owns Bee Kings. It was a lot of fun, and so this video is going to be the footage from that day. But there's something extra special about this video. Recently, Thomas and I were introduced to a band called Top House and fell in love with their music. And some of their music, when I hear it, I just like play visions of our farm in my head. It's great music. I love it. You should definitely check them out. But I have asked their permission to use some of their music in our videos because I just like the vibe. And so this song that is going to play is one of their songs called Honey and Rye.
Sun is awake and it's warm outside. Where have I been? Today is a duet of honey on rye, the same as before again. And I need to be reminded like before. Somebody pulled my coat from me. Today I'm going to take my time. Tick-tock on it, don't rewind. Spread the rumor, tell tales of a myth. How I sat on my front porch and saw what I was missing. Can't mix oil and water, the change is left behind. The sun is getting hotter, today is mine. Phone rings, there's another missed call. Nobody's home. The answer machine breaks and doesn't want to talk. I'd say call back but don't, 'cause I need to be reminded like before. Somebody pulled my coat from me. Today I'm going to take my time. Tick-tock on and don't rewind. Spread the rumor, tell tales of a myth. How I sat on my front porch and saw what I was missing. Can't mix oil and water, but change was left behind. The sun is getting hotter, today is mine. Today is just a whisper, is a part of the conversation life talks. And if someone forgot to turn on the coffee pot, life goes on. I don't believe that's wrong. Oh, today I'm going to take my time. Tick-tock on and don't rewind. Spread the rumor, tell tales of a myth. How I sat on my front porch and saw what I was missing. Can't mix oil and water, when change is left behind. The sun is getting hotter, the day is mine.